Guys, I remembered something, because in front of me there are, you know, some books, and in one of those books I learned a technique how to do something, you know, and when you are here in the stream you can't chill in the breaks, you know, you need to learn something, and I'm not sure if I can still do that, but do you guys know origami? Do you guys know origami? Maybe you know that. If you know that, then grab now a piece of paper. Piece of paper, could be anything, could be something like this, could be bigger, could be smaller. Yes, yes. Then grab here. It's actually kind of a lot of pressure because I did this the last time, yeah, I don't know, 14 years ago. Anyways, I will do that. Origami is great, yeah, I can make a fish. Yeah, we don't want a fish, you know, we don't want something classical like a fish, like a boat, like a plane. We want something more, you know. Origami zeros are my go-to. Hey, I was oftentimes eating with friends, and I had one friend, she always did a rose with a paper you always get in the restaurant, and we always gave it to the waitress. Was actually a nice move. Sacrificing my flashcard for this, let's go. Alright guys, alright. Okay, this paper, we fold that in the middle. Do that please. Classic. I think this is basically this is also a pretty easy thing, you know. Do you guys got that? Fold it in the middle. Fold it in the middle. Now the magic is happening. You turn it. So now we, not like this, we needed to turn it like this, you know, the long side. We need a long side. Magic is happening. So now you fold it like another time in the middle. Another time in the middle, but it's actually not too important, you know. It's also pretty nice if you don't have the eyes for doing stuff in the middle, it's not too bad, you know, doing the stuff not in the middle. So I will also, on purpose, will not do that in the middle. Now we should have this. Now we should have this, you know. As you can see, your boy didn't do it in the middle. It doesn't matter, you know. Simply steps so far. Can you do that? Can you do that? Everybody is there? Do we have some people who are lacking? Is this origami bachelor? I have no clue. Hopefully this works. It would be kind of embarrassing if this doesn't work. It's not in the middle, bro. I just said a second ago that it's not too important that's in the middle, and I do it on purpose not in the middle. Guys, but you can do it in the middle. It doesn't matter. Anyways, now I want that you guys do this. You know, you have this part, you can open it up here. And now you, basic step, do the flip-flop on the left. Flip-flop on the left side, you know, having like this, right? Flip-flop on the left side. And we want the flip-flop on the other side as well. Flip-flop on the other side as well, please guys. Basically flip-flop. We can't see. We can't see, guys. You have to see. So you have this. Flip-flop on both sides. Done with the flip-flop thing. I just smashed the paper into a ball. What? That was... So it was like this. Then I flipped this like this. And I flipped the inner part like this. Then we have it like this, guys. It's not that crazy, I would say. Pascal, move closer. We can't see. Guys, it can't be it. This one. We want this. And zoom the cam a bit. We are fully zoomed, guys. We are fully zoomed. Here you can see. I do it backwards again. We had it like this, you know. Then we do the flip-flop on the left. And we go for the flip-flop on the right, you know. So it's basically like this, right? Again, me struggling with my shitty internet. Guys, so many flip-flops. It's on the left and on the right. So we have the flips, and now the really special part is coming. Now the special. I guess nobody in the chat knows what's coming next. You guys are thinking maybe of crocodiles or something like this, or a t-shirt. We now go for the big flip. This flip, but we want it flipped here. Flipped here. Oh damn, now you can see how finished my fingers are right now. Even though obviously I always also do my finger care, but for some reason Heidi is biting me here. You can see that anyways. So we have this thingy here. We want to do the flip, and then you can see what happens next. Everybody in the chat, go for the flip now. Damn, I'm impressed that I, you know, still can do that. Then we need the eyes. The mouth. Now we need the drawing skills, guys. And there you go. Now you got baby Yoda. That should be Yoda. Maybe you can see. Can also make him stand. Look at Baby Yoda. Cool, right? Mandalorian does not approve. Is that really not? Nah, guys, last time I teach you guys something. I think it's pretty cool. This is what I did in primary school, actually. When I had nothing to do in the you know, I didn't have a phone in primary school, obviously. Was too young for that. And then I was sitting in the back and was doing this stuff, you know. With Marco, as I told you about. So cool, right? This was hilarious. It's okay, it's very cool. Everyone is so, hey, damn. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, small Yoda. Actually, I think it's cool, to be honest. And if you don't flip it in the middle, then you are a little bit more struggling with the ears. But you have this cool effect that he's wearing this kind of shirt, you know. Mine looks like a dog face. I chew paper in class. Oh man. Yeah, where should we put my man over here? I have a rhino from doing the same. Oh man. Next time do Jabba the Hutt. I think I can do Darth Vader as well.